Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cancer card reading. As always, make sure to apply what applies to you and discard what doesn't. Now, with that being said, let's get started. You may take this time to meditate, inhale, and exhale 7 times. Now, I will begin by shuffling the cards. Alright, so the first card is the Six of Wands. Followed up by the Five of Wands. And then we have the Emperor. So first and foremost, the Six of Wands, this represents recognition. All eyes are on you because of the great work that you've done. Many people are looking up to you, and you might be close to a promotion because of all the amazing work that you've done. So far it seems like the effort that you are about to put in, or that you have been putting in, is about to turn into many positive things for you. As for the Five of Wands, this represents some form of conflict, some form of perhaps jealousy because of all these new things and all of these promotions and recognitions that you are going to receive. And this card also reminds us to not let that bother us, because the bigger you become, the more shadows you will cast. And this means that you should not pay attention to the hate and jealousy that you receive from others. As for the Emperor, some of you are feeling powerful right now. Incorporate discipline and practice good habits right now, because this is the time to use all of this power, to use all of this good and positive energy that you have towards building up and achieving your goals. Apply the new knowledge you have learned and keep following this path that you are meant to walk. Now, with that being said, let's pull 3 more cards. So next up we have the King of Cups. Followed up by the Two of Pentacles. And then last but not least, we have the Ace of Cups. So for the King of Cups, this card represents how you are going to be satisfied in your life. You have gained control of your emotions. Keep harnessing this ability to not let negative energies bother you. As for the Two of Pentacles, this card represents new beginnings. Things are growing, things are moving up. And all of this, you have to remember that this is because of you. This is because of all the hard work and effort that you've put in to achieve this new position, this new power that you hold. And as for the Ace of Cups, this represents something new is coming to your life right now. There is a powerful energy that is coming to you. This will make you level up, and it's a reminder for you to start building long-lasting connections, long-lasting relationships that are going to help you grow further and further in the future. Start to plant the seeds of your success now that you have the ability to do so. So overall seems to be a very important week. And as a reminder, you have to remember that you are perspective. You have an inquisitive mind that allows you to uncover important truths. You have a special ability to read into other people's feelings, a wisdom seeker, and your angels ask to share your knowledge for the benefit of others. So during this time, also think about those people that you can mentor, that you can help guide to a better path. But as always, best of luck. Now, this has been the end of this reading. If it resonated with you, make sure to leave a like and let me know on the comments down below. And as always, make sure to subscribe, as it shows me your support and it helps me out a lot. Thank you. See you next time.